If you absolutely need to change your toe height, this is how you would do it. The only rule is that you have to go down in 32mm increments. You could go less if you really wanted to. I'll just show you what happens when you go down 32. So let's change it from 96.1 to 64.1. And everything looks pretty good here. If we throw it into 3D and then wireframe, we're going to notice that we only have one cam here. There's not really enough room for a second cam, so you just kind of make it work. If there's carpet, lucky you. If there's not, it's probably not going to be that big of a deal. You can figure out a way to put a support bracket right behind this toe kick so that it doesn't scoot in on you. That's only if you need to change the height of the toe. If you want to change it back, there is no Control Z, so you just have to put in 96.1 in here. And it'll go right back to the way it was. We can look at it in 3D. And then we're going to have two cams in here.